How to download eFootball 2024 on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how to download eFootball 2024 on Android. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Play Store application. And once you are inside the Play Store application, in the search box, type in eFootball 2024. Now in the search results, as you can see, this app is not available on my device. This application does not support my mobile phone. So you guys, how you can download that application if it is available on your mobile phone or if it supports your mobile phone. So I'm just gonna select this particular application to download. So what you gotta do to download that application is simply tap on that install button. Upon tapping on install button, it will take few times or it will take a while to get download and installed on your mobile phone. Once it's done, you are good to go. So that is how exactly you can download eFootball 2024 on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.